Hey guys and gals, George here again. I thought some of you who like to do gardening and also feeding birds and watching the birds might be interested in my bird feeding station I've set up. That bird feeder that's on the top was originally over here on the side of my garage where that stop sign is now. And I put this post in. I got the hanging ones on either side, and you can see the suet feeder is empty. Can't keep that thing full. There's another one over there. See if I can zoom in on it. Another one over there on the tree, and it only takes the birds, mostly the grackles, probably about I don't know, less than half a day, probably 2 or 3 hours to empty those things out. So I'm always I can only put a couple in a day, otherwise they put me in the poor farm. And I set up this little water for them, just from a thrift store bowl, and a cedar post that came off of a fallen down cedar in my son's yard. And, yeah, so you might wonder why I have that old pie plate there. That's where I put my grape jelly to attract the orioles in. And it works sometimes. They're not real popular around here, but I've had a few of them. And they come back every once in a while, and that's where they go, right there. So, thanks again for watching. Till next time, this is George saying goodbye.